What if the reason your legs cramp at night isn't just because you're older, but because your body's been begging for something it stopped getting years ago? What if the tightness in your calves, the stiffness in your knees, and the strange aching in your joints after just a short walk could all start to fade, not in months, but in just 7 days? See, nobody tells you this. They say it's age. They say this is just what happens after 60. But that's not true. It's not fair. And it's not the full picture, because your body isn't giving up on you. It's talking to you. Every cramp, every creak, every late-night jolt that wakes you from sleep, those are messages, whispers, warnings. And if you know how to listen, you can start to feel better, faster than you've been told is possible. I've seen it happen. I've watched people go from limping out of bed in the morning to walking confidently across the room, not in months, but in a matter of days. And it starts with understanding the real reasons your legs are cramping and your joints are crying out. Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat on the edge of your bed at 2 a.m., massaging your calf, wondering why this keeps happening? You hydrate, you stretch, you take your vitamins, but the cramps come anyway. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it can feel like your body is betraying you. But it's not betrayal, it's depletion. Your muscles and joints aren't being damaged by age. They're starving for what they used to get without asking. Things your younger body had plenty of, but your older body is quietly running low on now. One of the biggest culprits? Magnesium. Not the kind in your multivitamin. Not the kind sprinkled into cereal, but the kind that actually makes it into your cells. Because here's what no one tells you. After 60, your body doesn't absorb magnesium the same way it used to. And magnesium is critical, not just for muscle relaxation, but for preventing those sharp middle-of-the-night cramps that feel like your calf is tying itself in a knot. Your muscles can't relax without magnesium. They literally stay tense. They fire off misfired signals, and then, bam, that jolt hits your leg and you're wide awake with pain. But it's not just about taking a magnesium pill and hoping for the best. Most of the ones sold over the counter, they don't absorb well. They pass right through you. The kind that works? It's called magnesium glycinate. It's gentle, it doesn't upset your stomach, and it actually gets into your muscle cells where the relief happens. Add that one small change. Collagen is the protein that gives your joints cushioning. It's the padding, the spring, the shock absorber. And after 60, you lose about 1% of it every year. Sometimes more, depending on stress, diet, and illness. That's why your knees feel different. That's why you hear more clicking. That's why you get sore after simple tasks. But here's the beautiful part. You can help your body build collagen again. Even now, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. But it's not by rubbing creams on your knees. It's from the inside. And for many people, those cramps start to fade within days. But cramps are only half the story. Let's talk about the joints. The knees that don't bend easily, the hips that pop, the hands that ache when you grip something too long. You know the feeling. It's not just arthritis. It's not always inflammation. A lot of the time, it's collagen loss. Now stay with me. I'm not talking about beauty products. I'm talking about your actual structural collagen, the type that holds your tendons, cartilage, and joints together. Collagen needs 3 things to rebuild. 1. The right type of collagen peptides, usually from hydrolyzed marine or grass-fed bovine sources. 2. Enough vitamin C to help it stick and form fibers. 3. And one most people forget, silica or hyaluronic acid to hydrate and lubricate the tissue. This combination, it's not a trend. It's not hype. It's backed by real studies on joint repair in older adults. I had a patient named Arthur. He was 73. Couldn't go upstairs without feeling like he had sand in his knees. Started a simple daily collagen and vitamin C combo along with light movement we'll talk about in a minute. And within a week, he noticed something strange. The grinding feeling started to fade. He stood longer. He walked farther. He told me, it's like my knees remembered how to move. Now, collagen and magnesium are powerful, but they don't work alone. You have to move for them to work right. And this is the part that surprises most people. You don't need to exercise hard. You don't need a gym. You don't even need to leave your house. What you need is what I call nutrient-driven movement. Small, intentional movements that stimulate blood flow, lubricate the joints, and remind your muscles that they're still needed. Think gentle squats, holding onto a counter, slow heel raises while brushing your teeth, sitting and standing from a chair without using your hands, marching in place with your knees just a little higher each time. These movements tell your body, hey, keep this area alive, send nutrients here, rebuild this. The magic isn't in how hard you push, it's in how often you send the signal. Even 5 minutes, twice a day, can change the way your joints feel by the end of the week. week. And here's what most people don't realize. When you combine the right minerals, the right joint support, and the right movements, you create a healing loop. Magnesium calms the nerves. Collagen restores the tissue. Movement delivers the ingredients. And your body, even now, starts to respond. Not in a year, not in 3 months, but within 7 days, many people feel a shift. Maybe your cramp doesn't come back tonight. Maybe you get out of bed tomorrow without the tight shuffle. Maybe your knees don't talk back after a walk around the block. It's not a miracle. It's biology, supported. And that's what your body wants more than anything right now. Not a fight, not a struggle, just support. Just the right inputs, given with patience, day by day. You're not broken, you're out of rhythm. And now, we're going to bring your body back into its rhythm, so the pain can start to quiet down and the strength can come back up, because you're not too late, not even close. You see, when most people feel pain, they think something is broken, that their body is falling apart, that the best they can hope for is slowing the decline. But that's not what your body is trying to do. Your body's not giving up. It's adapting. It's doing the best it can with the signals it's receiving. And sometimes those signals are confusing. You feel a cramp in your calf, so you drink more water, but it doesn't go away. You wake up with stiff joints, so you move less, and they get worse. You stop bending, reaching, walking, because it hurts. But the less you move, the louder your body cries for help. Because muscles and joints aren't like old machines that wear down. They're like instruments. They go out of tune when neglected, but with the right attention, they can play again. That's what this is. A quiet, powerful invitation to get back in tune. Let me tell you about Marion. She's 76, lived alone. She thought leg cramps were just part of life now. Started sleeping in a recliner just to avoid the pain at night. Felt like her knees were rusted shut by morning. I asked her to try one thing before bed: a warm Epsom salt foot soak and 200 milliliters of magnesium glycinate with a small piece of dark chocolate. She laughed at the chocolate, but I told her, it's not just a treat. It's a source of natural magnesium, and it supports serotonin, which helps you sleep deeper. After just 3 nights, she slept all the way through, no cramp. Then I had her start doing heel drops off her front porch step, gently, just 10 seconds at a time. And something happened. Her legs began to respond. The cramps faded, the stiffness lightened, and her confidence, that came back too. Now, I'm not saying you'll feel perfect in a week, but I am saying that by day 7, you might wake up and realize you're not bracing for pain the way you used to. You're not afraid to reach for the floor, or walk to the mailbox, or roll over in bed without cringing, because strength comes back in whispers, in quiet victories. In tiny moments, your body surprises you again, and the real power is in how you stack the habits. Start with hydration, not just water, but water with electrolytes. Add half a teaspoon of sea salt to your water once a day. It helps you hold magnesium. It keeps your blood volume steady. It supports circulation so your legs don't feel like tree trunks by afternoon. Then layer in movement, not workouts. Just patterns, flow, signals. Do 5 chair stands before every meal. Do slow ankle rolls while you're watching TV. Stand on one foot while brushing your teeth. That's rehab without a single appointment. That's therapy done in your pajamas. Then add the rebuilding blocks. Collagen in the morning with a scoop of vitamin C powder. Magnesium glycinate at night with a banana or a few almonds. Trace minerals once a day. Zinc, boron, silica. These aren't trends. They're tools. They're what your body used to make for itself until stress, time, and depletion took them away. And when you give them back, your body starts healing. Not because of a product, not because of a pill, but because you listened. Because you cared enough to say, I deserve to feel better than this. And you do. You deserve to feel strong in your own body again. You deserve to wake up without dread, to walk without fear, to stretch without pain, and all of that is already in motion. Every time you support your magnesium, you're reducing the fire in your nerves. Every time you move your joints, you're telling your cartilage, we still need you. Every time you rest well, eat with intention, and stop overloading your system with junk it can't use, you're creating the chemistry of strength. It's not too late. It's never been too late. But you can't wait for motivation. You can't wait until the pain gets worse. You have to choose today. You have to say, I'm worth 7 days of effort, 7 days of listening, 7 days of showing up for your legs, 7 days of treating your joints like they matter, because they do. They carry your freedom, your independence, your confidence, your dignity. And when your legs move with strength, your life opens back up. That's what this is really about. Not just stopping cramps, not just soothing joints, but rebuilding trust in your own body again. So let's say it out loud. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not too old for this to work. You are responsive. You are resilient. You are still capable of healing. And the first step, it's already done. Because now you understand. Now you know why it's happening. And more importantly, you know how to help. So the next time that cramp comes, or the next time your knees feel sore halfway through the day, don't fear it. Don't ignore it. Answer it. Support your minerals, support your movement, support your rest, and you'll be surprised how fast your body supports you back. 7 days. That's all it takes to start changing the story. Not in theory, in your actual, lived, beautiful, still capable body. Let's go. Let's rebuild. Let's reclaim the strength you never lost, only paused. Because you're not done yet, not even close.